Almond Pecan Granola. Prep time 5 minutes. Cook time 30 minutes. Yield 3 cups. Description: it's easy to make your own delicious, healthy and preservative-free almond pecan granola. Add these clusters to your favorite yogurt or eat alone as a snack. Ingredients: 2 cups large flake oats or rolled oats, 3/4 cup sliced almonds, 1/2 cup chopped pecans, 1/2 cup raw honey, 1/4 cup vegetable oil, 1/2 tablespoon vanilla extract, 1 teaspoon ground cinnamon. Instructions: preheat oven to 300 F. Mix the oats, almonds and pecans in a large bowl. Set aside. In a medium-sized bowl, mix together the honey, oil, vanilla and cinnamon. Stir well to combine. Add this mixture to your large bowl of oats. Stir well to combine. Line a cooking tray with aluminum foil and spread the granola mixture evenly. Bake for 30 minutes. Every 10 minutes, take out the cooking tray and stir well. Re-spread the granola and put back in the oven. Once done, remove the granola from the oven and let cool completely.